Hello, future crypto millionaires. Welcome back to the channel. In this video, we are going to do some quick technical analysis on NEAR, the blockchain for AI. This is the chart. We are looking at NEAR over USDT 4-hour chart. As you see here, we have a very nice triangle pattern going on. We have this lower ascending yellow trend line that has been acting as support. The price action bounced here again, another bounce here today, over 2 touches. Therefore, that's a very valid support trend line. And also we have this upper descending yellow trend line that has been acting as resistance. The price action got rejected here, another rejection here, another one here. Again, over 2 touches. Therefore, that's a very valid resistance trend line. Now, as long as the price action is moving inside the pattern, we have to assume that it's going to continue moving inside the pattern until it breaks out. It might break out to the downside. Things are going to turn bearish if this happens. But those of you who are familiar with opening a short position, you might want to consider opening a short position if the price action breaks below this lower ascending yellow trend line that has been acting as support. But since most of you here are beginners, I am going to focus on the long idea, which is if the price action breaks above this upper descending yellow trend line that has been acting as resistance. The safest way to trade this is to let the price action do its thing while moving inside the triangle pattern. And then when you see a breakout, preferably a break both above this upper descending yellow resistance trend line and this horizontal resistance that I have here on the chart that's located at $2.62. You can buy the breakout, scale it on the retest if it happens, and wait for continuation, move to the upside so you can take some profits when the price action hits the rest of the targets that I have here on the chart. For those of you who want to trade this in a more aggressive manner, I have another idea for you. As you see, the price action is currently bouncing above this lower support trend line. If we see another small short-term pullback here, you might want to consider opening a long position as close as you can to this lower support, trying to front-run the break above this triangle pattern. Set up a stop loss below it, just in case the price action decides to break below, so you can take a small loss and move on to the next trade, or find another new buying opportunity when it comes to NEAR when we have more structure. So for those of you who want to trade this in a more aggressive manner, you might want to consider opening a long position as close as you can to this lower ascending yellow trend line that has been acting as support, trying to front run the break above this triangle pattern. Otherwise, for those of you who want to trade this in a more safe manner, wait for the price action to do its thing, and when you see a breakout, buy the breakout, scale on the retest, wait for continuation, move to the upside. The first target that I am looking to take profits is located at $3. From the breakout, if the breakout happens here above this horizontal level that's located at $2.62 to this first target, that's a measured move of 18%. Next target is located at $3.42, and that's a measured move of 30%. Next target is located at $3.85. That's a measured move of 47%. Next target, $4.33, and that's a measured move of 65%. Of course, if you decide to trade this in a more aggressive manner, trying to front run the breakout, opening a long position as close as you can to this lower support, assuming that we see another pullback before the price action continues moving higher, the measured moves are going to become even greater, right? For example, the measured move all the way up to this last target becomes a 90% move. Very nice idea, life-changing money. NEAR currently has a market cap of over 2.87 billion. It's well into the billions already. Therefore, NEAR needs a lot of liquidity to flow into it in order to move. It's not going to move easily. But I really think that a 90% move out of NEAR is totally possible. And this is my short-term price prediction for NEAR for 2025. As the weeks go by, when I have more data, depending on how Bitcoin and the rest of the market is performing, I am going to update my price predictions and I am going to give you more setups on NEAR. So make sure that you click the bell icon so you receive notifications when I post updates on these setups. Also, if you want to find these trading setups that I talk about on YouTube, make sure that you join my Telegram group. There is a link in the description below. It's free for now, but it's not going to be free forever, so make sure that you join as soon as possible. It's a no-brainer, guys. We have been killing it in the group. Let me know in the comments below, what is your price prediction for NEAR for 2025? Are you bullish or bearish on it? I really want to know what you guys think. Also, if you have any altcoins that you want me to talk about on YouTube, drop them in the comments below and I will make a video on your altcoin performing technical analysis. That's all I had for you today. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one, guys. Take care.